Hello to everyone. So it's the middle of the night. 3 o'clock in the morning. So it's about time for an oatmeal smoothie. I made a small batch of oatmeal and now I just want to thin it down until it's like a smoothie. And so in the video, how to get well and never be sick again, it was mentioned that sugar ages you, and I thought, oh, just what I need. I'm getting old anyway. So now at this point, I will put some applesauce. I will give up my raw sugar. So I will put some applesauce in my smoothie. Now this doesn't take long to cook. This is like a perfect snack. This would be a perfect breakfast. You could drink it on the way to work, you know, instead of swinging by Starbucks. So now I'm going to cook this until it starts boiling again. And I'm going to be looking for toxins, getting rid of sugar, getting rid of chemicals, and okay, I'll see you tomorrow.